Namaste. So today we are going to do a bit of stretch for our neck, head, and to release all the tensions of our upper back. So this is something I do usually or normally in my day-to-day routine. So I thought of sharing it with you guys. So let's start with the head and neck stretch. Okay, so either you can sit in this comfortable position, a cross-legged sitting position, or if you are comfortable in a half-legged Padmasana, Ardha Padmasana, you can sit like this, or you can sit in Vajrasana like this. So for me, to make my spine more upright, I would suggest to go for this Vajrasana, but many people will be having some issues to sit like this because of their leg pain, and also they are not flexible, especially on their ankle joint. So in that case, you may sit in the cross legs. There is no issues for that. So let's get started with the head and neck. So let us move up and down with your head. Now move from the right to the left 3 times. These are very easy one, and you don't have to worry about the breathing also. Just do the normal breathing pattern. Now let us move from the right to the left and left to the right 3 times, and then back 3 times. So if you have any issues with your neck, especially cervical spondylosis, I would suggest you to go for this semicircle pattern instead of doing the full rotation. It's not good for you. And I would suggest anyone to go for a semicircle pattern rather than moving your head like this, as it creates some imbalances, and also this is the healthy way of practice. So always go for the semicircle from right to left, and then go for the same thing at the back. So let's go for our next one, and today I am focusing mainly from our head till the upper stomach. So I am not going for the lower part of the body, because even for me myself personally, after doing a lot of consultation in a day, I feel really stressed with my neck and my shoulder and my upper back. So for me, this is what I do. So we will go for the same routine what I am practicing. Okay, now the next one, we can just go for our shoulder rotation. I make a fist of my hand, but give a little bit strength rather than making it very loose. So make it tight, and then go for 3 times of clockwise, and then 3 times of anti-clockwise rotation, so that these muscles are loose now. And then go for the other side. Go for 3 times, and then 3 times anti-clockwise, and make it loose here. Now then you just take this hand inside this hand, and then just keep your chin above this shoulder, so that you can see the stretching of this muscles here, and you feel so good. And the same way, this hand goes inside this, and then you are blocking it. You keep your chin here. So you are getting a stretch on your neck muscles, and also you can feel that loosening or the overstretch happening on your shoulder muscles. So now the next one, you can give something for your chest. So I would suggest you to go for some breathing along with your movement. Now let us go for an inhalation when you open your hands, and an exhalation when you come back. So let's go for the first one. You inhale, and then you push your chest forward. So I will just show you from the side so that you understand my spine. Okay, so you can go like this. Inhale, And then when you exhale, can you see my back is getting hunched and I sit like a shrimp. Okay, so just cross your hand in front of your chest and then you inhale, make a fist of your hand, or you can open, it's up to you, and you push your chest and you exhale, hunch. One more time. And you exhale. Come back. So 3 times of horizontal breathing stretches. Now let's go for the twist. So your left hand goes to the right knee, and you can, if you are in a cross-leg sitting position, what you can do is you can just do this way. So even in Vajrasana or the cross-leg sitting position, you can do the same. So my left hand goes to my right knee, but see to that you are not slanting back, you are sitting straight, and then you twist and look at the back walls in your eyes, or you can close your eyes. And you come back. You just give some seconds there, pause some seconds, and the normal breathing. And come back. So initially when you do this, take some time and give a good stretch. Later you can go for a faster one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and come back. So these are the 6 lumbar twists. After we do a lengthy one, you can give a fast lumbar stretch. Now the next one, we can de-stress our upper back. As I already mentioned before, I don't want to do anything for our lower part of the body today, because I am focusing more on the upper body tensions. So let's go for our foreleg position. So as I have mentioned in the previous videos that you have to always keep your right hand down your right shoulder and the left hand down your left shoulder, and your 2 knees should be separated like your pelvis width. So that's the right placement of a foreleg position. Now, so hope you can see the curvature of my spine. So I'm sinking it really down, and you can just drop your head and your hair and just de-stress all the tensions of the day. If you have a lot of mental tensions, just breathe out through the mouth. Just exhale like this, so you feel so good. And one more time. This is the right way of de-stressing yourself physically. And when you do this, you see you are sitting for a very long day and your spine is actually loaded with your body weight. So just imagine when you stand like this, you are actually doing a counter pose where you are compensating for all the day's stress for your body. So this is an excellent position you all must do on a daily basis. Now let us go for a stretch where you are keeping your complete body stretched really well, and then you come back to the foreleg position, and then you go back and stretch. So all the spine muscles are working in this. And one more time. And now I have mentioned you about the upper back. So just keep your fingers like a cup and you look straight. The same time when you look straight, you can see the upper back muscles are really paining sometimes, or it is stretching like anything. And I love that painful stretch, because it's a de-stress what I am getting for all that stress what I had taken, you know, in the previous days or the day. So look straight, I can really feel that like a crab like sensation on, especially on my upper back, because of the long sitting. You know, the consultation, you know, all the doctors will be sitting for a very long time on that same chair and the same position. So this is one de-stress we all can do, those who are sitting for a very long time. So keep straight, looking, and then gaze at a point and keep breathing out. And you see my stomach is escaped. I'm not jamming my stomach, I'm giving a space for my tummy. And exhale and look straight, and then when you're done, you can slowly place your forehead down, and then you relax and collapse yourself. This is one stretch which makes me really happy. And then slowly take your one hand inside, got it? And just keep your left hand, insert through the space, and just stay like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You can even count to 10 seconds, no issue. And then you go to this side. This hand, the above head, this hand can be, you know, shifted behind your head. The more stretch, the more, you know, the more wider you can, or far you can, then the more stretch you will get here. And the same stretch, even you can go further, and even you can place your head like this. And those who are having problem in sitting like that, they can just keep their back buttocks in the air, and they can give a stretch like this. And the same applies here. And this actually make us really good. See, I'm really fresh, and all the tensions of my neck and my upper shoulder is gone now. So this is one excellent practice that you all can do in your day-to-day life, and get rid of your neck strain and all that, you know, achy, painy, straining muscles, knotty muscles on your shoulders and your scapula. And now one last one, you can just give a good stretch and slowly come down, interlacing your fingers, and then you can just take it as much as you can. Or if it is not coming up, just stretch like this, how much you are able to do. And then inhale and look up, and that's it. So that's it for the day, and I hope you enjoyed my neck and head stretches. So keep doing. See you again.